A lot of people are saying that should I read or should I practice RCs? We have to do, basically now we have 5 months with us from June to November. We are somewhere in mid-June as such. So how should we actually use these 5 months? We should say that let's aim to do 160 RCs. Let's start slow and we'll slowly build momentum. I want you to do in the first month in June, I want you to do 15 RCs, do every other day. Try to do 15 RCs in the remaining 20 days that we have, try to do 15 RCs. In the next month in July, I want you to do 20 RCs, so try to do it every Monday to Friday. You will hit 20 RCs very easily. 25 RCs if you want to do, you have to do Monday to Saturday, and then you will do 20 RCs by the third month. 40 RCs, now you have to basically pick up speed. You have to do more than 1 RC a day. So 40 RCs in October, and essentially October, November, I want you to just basically start solving RCs, 1-2 RCs every single day. If you are solving 1-2 RCs every single day, it will become very easy for you to hit the 160 RC mark. The 160 RC I basically thought is that this is something that is doable and this is very good amount of practice. 150, 160 RCs are very good amount of practice to have a very high accuracy rate of 80% and an attempt rate of at least 3 RCs. You will, if you are struggling with your attempt rate now, it will actually be about 3 RCs for sure. If you have done 150 RCs, you will definitely be able to do 3 RCs at the very least in actual CAT. So don't worry about it, but stick to this. Stick to a schedule where you are constantly solving more, with time you are solving more and more RC sets.